Before we dive in, let me give you a quick rundown of what you can expect from this series. We're going to start with the basics and gradually move towards advanced topics, so whether you're a beginner or someone with experience, you'll find something useful here. Episode 1, Overview of Flutter State Management Solutions. We'll start with today's episode, giving an overview of the different state management solutions in Flutter, from setState to provider, and why Bloc might be the right choice for your projects. Episode 2, Setting up Bloc in a Flutter project. We'll walk through how to set up Bloc in a Flutter app, including adding dependencies, creating your first qubit, and handling simple state changes. Episode 3, Bloc versus qubit, when to use each. We'll compare Bloc and qubit, explain their differences, and explore when to use each for different project requirements. Episode 4, Building a Counter app with Bloc. Next, we'll build a simple counter app to demonstrate Bloc in action. You'll see how events and states work together to manage app logic. Episode 5, Bloc with Clean Architecture. Here, we'll dive into clean architecture and show how to structure a Flutter project using Bloc, making your code more modular and scalable. Episode 6, Advanced Bloc, Streams, Repositories, and Data Layers. In this episode, we'll move into more advanced territory, introducing concepts like streams, and the repository pattern to fetch data efficiently. Episode 7, Handling Errors and Loading States in Bloc. Learn how to manage different states like loading, success, and error in your app's UI with Bloc. Episode 8, Testing Blocks. We'll cover how to write unit tests for your blocks, ensuring your business logic works as expected. Episode 9, Real-World Use Case, Building an Inventory Manager app. In this episode, we'll build an inventory management app from scratch, applying everything we've learned with Bloc and clean architecture. Episode 10, Q&A and Troubleshooting Common Bloc Issues. We'll wrap up the series by answering your most common questions and solving common issues that arise when using Bloc. So that's the roadmap for this series. Whether you're new to state management or want to level up your skills, this series will guide you through using Bloc effectively in your Flutter apps.